Many Americans don't realize this. A nose job isn't always just about appearance. In the US, a lot of people consider rhinoplasty not only for cosmetic reasons, but also because of breathing issues. Some people grow up with a deviated septum, and it can feel like they're constantly congested. During the procedure, patients are under anesthesia, so there's no pain during the surgery. Doctors usually work through small incisions inside the nostrils, then carefully adjust the bone and cartilage underneath. In some cases, additional cartilage is used to help support and stabilize the structure. It's less about changing a look and more about rebuilding internal support, like repairing the framework of a house so everything functions properly. The surgery itself may take a few hours, but recovery is more of a process. What's important is this: rhinoplasty isn't a quick beauty shortcut. It's a medical procedure that can involve both function and